Ever wondered how AI tools like ChatGPT are turning everyday people into millionaires? Stick around and I'll show you how to get started, even if you're a total beginner. Whether you're looking to build a side hustle or launch a full-blown business, I'm here to break it down for you step by step. Let's dive right in with some game-changing AI wealth strategies. First up, digital dollars with AI. AI has made content creation faster, smarter, and more lucrative than ever. Tools like ChatGPT can help you write blogs, craft ad copy, and even script YouTube videos just like this one. Here's how. Identify a niche, use AI to generate valuable content, and monetize through ads, affiliate links, or subscriptions. Now, let's talk e-commerce. Smart bots, big bucks. With AI tools like Jasper or Shopify's AI assistants, you can automate product descriptions, customer support, and even ad campaigns. Imagine running a store that basically manages itself, freeing you up to scale the business or explore other ventures. Here's another hot trend, AI consulting services. If you know how to use tools like Midjourney for design or Synthesia for video creation, you can start offering your expertise to businesses that need help implementing AI. Trust me, companies are willing to pay big bucks for someone who can save them time and money, and don't overlook AI automation. Automate to dominate. Platforms like Zapier and Make.com can connect your apps and automate workflows. Whether you're streamlining email campaigns or syncing customer data, automation can turn hours of grunt work into minutes of effortless execution. Now, a quick heads up, watch out for shiny object syndrome. There are tons of AI tools out there, but not all of them are worth your time or money. Start simple. Master one or two tools before expanding your toolkit. And here's Anukul's insight. The real opportunity lies in finding unique applications for AI. For example, AI is amazing at analyzing data. If you can combine it with your industry expertise, whether that's real estate, fitness, or education, you'll have a competitive edge that's hard to beat. Here's an inspiring example. Meet Isabela, a small business owner who made $100,000 in just 6 months. How? She used AI tools to automate her online store. Tools like ChatGPT helped her generate product descriptions, while Google's AI-powered ad platform optimized her campaigns. The best part? She did it all with zero coding experience. Then there's Alex, a freelance marketer who tripled his income by offering AI-driven content services. He uses tools like Canva's AI features and Writesonic to deliver high-quality work faster than ever before. You could be the next Sarah or Alex. The possibilities are endless. Now let me add some extra value. If you're wondering which tools to start with, here are my top picks. For content creation, ChatGPT and Writesonic. For automation, Zapier and Make.com. For e-commerce, Shopify's AI tools and Jasper. And here's a beginner-friendly strategy. Pick a niche you're passionate about and spend the first week learning an AI tool. By week 2, create your first project. By week 3, start promoting it online. With consistency, you can have a functioning AI-powered income stream within 30 days. Oh, and don't miss out on free resources like YouTube tutorials and forums like Reddit's AI community. They're gold mines for learning. So what's your AI business idea? Drop it in the comments and I'll help you refine it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Next week, we're talking about AI side hustles that pay big in 2025. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Remember, the AI revolution isn't just for techies. It's for anyone ready to work smart and win big. Whether you're automating tasks, building an online empire, or offering AI-powered services, the key is to start now. And as always, keep learning, keep earning, and visit theaimarketingschool.com for more tips, tools, and strategies. See you in the next